Since 1979, we've been providing a top-quality service to thousands of customers. We are Northfreeze Refrigeration Limited, proud of our professional, reliable, friendly reputation across businesses ranging from nursing homes to hotels. We provide a breakdown service that's second to none for all your refrigeration equipment, with a team of qualified, experienced engineers in fully equipped vehicles, minimizing downtime and product loss, plus excellent preventative maintenance packages. Call us today at Northfreeze Refrigeration Limited.